Okay, here's going to be our new off-road wrecker. We're going to take this Isuzu and we are going to put Ford 5500 axles under it and probably 37-inch tires. And we are going to shorten this bed a bit and lift this sucker up. And it is going to be an amazing machine when we get done with it. Yeah, we'll modify that. We're going to put hydraulics that go down on the back. This will be lifted up in the air about 8 inches or so, maybe more. Shorten this sucker up. 5,500 pound Ford axles under a Chevy Isuzu. It's got a 6.0 Chevy in it. We'll do a little bit of work on that too. But it will be a good unit. Our goal is to go back down to the off-road games at Sand Hollow in the 2026. We've been there 3 years now in a row with a different rig, but this will be the new one. Okay, here's our Ford 550. It's gonna go underneath that little Isuzu roll-off. See, Ford 550. Fancy. Here's our axles for it. Yes, sir. Beefy. Beefy. This will be one good-looking son of a gun. Get all these axles under it. And a Isuzu Chevy-powered Ford running gear. Okay, here we are. A new Ford 550. Not new, but one that's going to go underneath that Isuzu. We're going to make it into a mean machine. Heavy-duty axles under it. All this is going to go underneath that Isuzu. We're going to combine Chevy and Ford and have a killer deal. Yeah, this is a nice truck here. At least the axles are nice. Yeah, we got just what we need here. This will be one sweet ride.